So now we're going to solve an equation in the form of negative x equals c. What that means is we have a negative value, a negative 1 coefficient, if you will, for our x, and it takes on it equals some constant value. The key thing here is our goal is to know what x equals, not what a negative x equals. And what you can really think of here is this going on. This is really like a negative 1 times x. Now, that's what this is just showing what this guy becomes here. So what I want to understand here is that if I want to get rid of the negative 1, is it legal if I take and divide both sides by negative 1? That's one way of looking at it. Some people say I like to divide each side by negative 1. Some people like to say they multiply both sides by negative 1. So negative 1 divided by negative 1 gives me a positive x, and a negative 4 divided by a negative x is positive 4. So our answer is a positive 4. And it's very logical. What value has to go here that makes that true? Well, if x is 4, negative 4 equals negative 4. Similarly, a real similar example going on over here on the next example. What you might want to think of is this is really like a negative 1x equals a negative 7, and how I would get rid of that then is I could multiply both sides by negative 1. And if I do that, what I will get is a negative 1 times negative 1 gives me a positive 1x equals a negative 7 times negative 7, which gives me a positive 7. Two different ways of doing the same problem. Either way, get the right answer.